Hey guys, I am doing a short unboxing video of a pen that I bought from Amazon literally 2 years ago. I received it in the mail, and then so many things were going on at the time. Like I didn't even have time to even open the thing. And so I put it in my calligraphy shrunk, which is an upcycled TV entertainment thing that my husband created for me for all my calligraphy things. Sorry about that. And then I kind of forgot about it. So I was looking for something yesterday, and I saw it. I said, "Oh, I haven't even opened it yet." So today we're going to open it. All right. So I never have much luck opening these things, as you can see. So I'm just going to... That's embarrassing, right? I'm just going to use my scissors. So, and there we go. It is a Retro 51 P51 Mustang. So I ordered this because apparently in, I believe, 2019, I'm not sure of the month, maybe earlier in 2019, there was a rumor in the fountain pen, Facebook's groups that said that Retro 51s will not be sold, or they will be sold to another group, or they went out of business. I don't remember exactly, but something was happening to the company. Like there was a big, humongous change. So everybody was buying these up. I said, well, let me just get one, for my kids or whatever, and decided to get one. It wasn't that much. So I'm going to open it up. Oh, do I gotta open this part? Oh, yeah, slides. Oh. Alright, so a converter, which I will use, and then there's nothing in there. It says a little booklet since 1990. Oh, so it's not really an old company. I don't think it's old. Alright, so it comes in this cardboard cylinder. It's kind of neat. I like it. So, let's see. It's kind of heavy. Not really heavy. And it's got the checkerboard on the finial. And that. Alright. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good angle of the nib. I believe this is a medium nib. I saw that there's a lot of fine nibs, but I like medium nibs. So I found this one. Ooh, oops. And then, let's see. So so the ink, it looks like it's dried up, but I'm not sure. Guess we will have to. Oh, there's two of them. Maybe no. Maybe they're not dried up. I don't know. I'm like dropping everything. Okay, so it comes with two very small ink cartridges and the nib. And then, let's see, the body. Oh, guess my table's not, level. Alright, so I like it. So far, so good. So we will see if this ink is dried up or if it's gross or what. I have a lot of these, the longer kind. I'm guessing the longer kind would fit. Okay, so I'm going to use some Rhodia paper. I really like this paper for fountain pens. Okay, so I'm going to put the ink in it and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then I will go upstairs and either get another one of these or I will use the eyedropper. So we'll see. There we go. Make sure it's in there. And then there we go on that. Okay, so let's see if this ink is good or not. And if not, I will put some ink in the converter and go from there. I might have, like I said earlier, have some of these, so I might just slap one of those in there. So we will see. I have a feeling that this is not going to work. Uh-oh, yep, see? Nope. So I went upstairs and I got a couple of mine. Of course, these are actually older than their original packages ones. Of course, I got some ink on there already. So we're going to try this one. And if this doesn't work, I will have to just break down and use ink. Okay, so I put one of mine in there, and that's kind of, okay. I was like, wait a minute here. So if you're right-handed this way, and if you're left-handed this way. I like how they thought about that. You know, I know that's dumb, but, you know. Okay, so we're going to see if this works. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm just going to write my name, you know, nothing. So let me see. Ooh, already. Yay. Oh, man. I like it. Let's see. Very good. It's pretty smooth. It's not skipping. Guess this would be a good everyday carry. I'm just messing around right now. Yes, it writes. I don't know, I'm just writing stuff. So, this is pretty good. I like it. I don't know. Well, I got some ink on there somehow. There is, okay, so there's little things there. I was just looking at it. All right, so it's a medium weight pen. It's not heavy at all. It writes really well. And like I said, this is a medium nib. I know most people like fine nibs, but I like some girth to the letters. Oops, why did I do that? But I'm sure you can find these on the internet somewhere. But I know in 2019 something happened with the company, and they sold the company somewhere to somebody. But if you can find one, sorry about that. They're very good everyday carry writers. And oh, there we go. Got the christening of the ink, right? So thank you for watching. If you can find one, there's different ones. I can't remember off the top of my head what the other name's on, but it's Retro 51. And thank you for watching.